Our award-winning Honeywell Total Connect remote services help keep you in the know when you're on the go. From your mobile devices, you can operate security systems, lights, locks, thermostats, and more. But what happens when vehicles or other valuables you own are also on the go? That's where our new Honeywell Total Connect tracking services come in. This cost-effective service uses GPS technology. If you've used GPS to get yourself from point A to point B, you know it's handy for navigation. But it's also a terrific technology for tracking, well, anything. How? GPS technology relies on eyes in the sky. Signals are transmitted from a device located anywhere on Earth to GPS satellites in space. And then the satellite sends the updated information back to the device. With Honeywell Total Connect tracking services, you can easily track your vehicles and assets. From shipping containers to motorcycles, boats, and heavy machinery, our tracking services let you monitor valuables in real time, 24/7. So what information can you track? You can monitor location, speed, and even set up geofencing. Which brings up a great question. What is geofencing? It's simple. You create a virtual area for your vehicle or device. When it enters or exits that area, you'll be notified with a text or email immediately. Honeywell Total Connect tracking services even gives you the ability to track the history of an event so you can see exactly where the vehicle or asset has been. And you can go back in time up to 90 days to track previous events. There are two types of Honeywell services that can benefit you. The Asset Tracker lets you monitor fixed or mobile assets like trailers, ATVs, or even classic cars. Place the device in the asset and it transmits a signal to tracking satellites. For instance, say the ATV is moved. The built-in accelerometer activates the GPS and a signal is transmitted to Honeywell's AlarmNet Network Operating Center and then sent right to the palm of your hand. Now let's shift to the Vehicle Tracker. It's great for monitoring cars, trucks, and service vans. So let's say your daughter, a new driver, is taking your car to a friend's house. If she goes over a certain speed limit, you'll get an email or text that also lets you know her location. And if you run a business, it's a great way to analyze your fleet to see how your operation can be even more efficient. You can get reports on stops and starts, and even track movement outside of normal business hours. Add these services to your existing Honeywell Total Connect system, or choose them as a standalone solution. Now that's peace of mind in real time, right to your tablet, PC, or smartphone. Honeywell Total Connect tracking services, keeping you in the know about everything that's on the go. Learn more at www.homesecurity.honeywell.com.